Oh no, I'm leaking. I'm kidding. That's just water. Let's double check. That's just water. Welcome back to another video. It's Marisabel. I've been seeing a lot of new subscribers, so hey, this is my manual 370Z. I always have to say manual because I feel like a lot of people think I drive an automatic, and we don't drive an automatic. My Z is actually pretty clean. I cleaned it yesterday, inside and out. Did the tires, did the wheels. I think that's the same thing. I don't know. Super clean. Because the car has been in a shop, home, shop, home. Because I'm trying to figure out why my engine light is still on. I fixed everything that needed to be fixed. My O2 sensor changed that as well. Scanned it. It was the O2 sensor. Same one we changed, or the shop changed. Turns out it might be a little bit more than just my O2 sensor. That's what the shop told me. Sometimes actually the car misfires, which is really crazy because I didn't understand what that was, but now I do. I was going up a hill and the car was just turning on and off, and then also did not want to pass I think 4,000. Yeah. So I was like, oh! So I took the car back to the shop and it told me that it might be my alternator. I don't know. Or it might be something like electronic, like with the computer or something in the car. I do have a muffler dilly, and I don't know if that makes the O2 sensor turn on. I don't know. Please, someone let me know. If you had the same issue, you know, you change your O2 sensor, your engine light's still on, and sometimes it misfires. She's doing pretty good right now. Let's hope nothing else happens. One has or had this issue with your engine light on and the O2 sensor, or you guys have a muffler delay. I don't know. Please let me know in the comments, or you could shoot me a DM on my Instagram because I need to figure this out. But I'm going to 2 different shops. I think tomorrow. And I wanna see, I just wanna see if they're gonna tell me the same thing that the first shop told me. I'm stressed with this car because I'm trying my hardest for it not to break down if I drive far. I saw that you guys really enjoyed the POV. That was like 2-3 videos ago. Oh, look at that deer. You like the Z? Yeah? You like it? Oh yeah! He or she, I don't know. Say yeah, you like the Z? Oh, you see the tail? Oh, look, another one over there. I guess they like the Z. Oh my gosh. Well, hello guys. All right, I put you guys on that angle. Make sure. All right, just checking you guys don't fall. Okay. I'm so excited because I want to get an exhaust. I just don't know what to get. Like, I have 2 in mind. I don't know if I want to be very loud or semi-loud. Did it, yo? We did it. I get a little bit nervous when there's like a whole bunch of cars. I get a little bit nervous. I really figure out what I want to do. And I actually, let me tell you guys this hint. I hope you guys can hear me. But I want to do a single exit. So hopefully that kind of gives you a hint maybe which exhaust I want to do. But I want to do a single exit. Yeah! I'm excited. But let me know if you guys have an exhaust, and then like what kind of exhaust you guys have. Like, I'm good going down to 3, but when it comes to 2, I kind of like suck at it to go on 2. Like 2 is like this way. Let's do it right now. No one's coming. Let's press a little bit of brakes. Yeah, I feel like 2 I have to like yank it this way. Try to go to 1. 1 is hard for me. But I did it. You hear that? Oh. Alright, 2. Got it. went to 1. Perfectly fine. Let's go to 4. Good there. So when you go up a hill, do you have to stay in lower gear? Or can you be in any gear? Alright, your girl's going 25 miles per hour. Speed limit.
No, 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 no.
I stalled. Jerking too much. I left his eyes back there. Disrespecting me. Ooh, there's a cop right there. Alright, let's see if we can get to 1. Okay, we got to 1. Woo! What the fuck? Whoa, what the hell? That shit scared me. What did you do that? Ah, I went to 3. I feel like 1 is so hard. Practice makes perfect. I love how some people understand to not beat up my butt while I'm driving. Because Lord knows what happens. I was trying to drive off in 2nd gear. What the fuck? It's a lot of thinking. But I know it's gonna come naturally after. I'm trying to make sure I get to 2 and 1 perfectly fine. So we're just gonna stay in low gears right now. So I can just shift from 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Oh shit! I didn't even know there was a light here. Y'all tripping! Alright, we only got to 2 because I was gonna go a bit too close. I don't know how you guys daily this, but to be honest, I wouldn't be able to at all. Like, no way. But props to you guys who do. Damn, you about to get a Corvette. I see you, daddy. Alright, let's see if we could get to 1. Hold up. Wait, do I need to get to 1? Not necessarily. Oh yeah, now it's becoming red. Okay, let's get to 1. Okay, we did it. Pretty good practice, you know? Stop, go, stop, go. Practice, like I said, from 2 to 1 is difficult. Try to get to 1, I'd be hurting my hand. I gotta find a trick to it.